We're at 2820 Villawood Circle. This is in Gulf Breeze on the south side of Highway 98. We're entering through the front door here into our main living area. We have a nice wood-burning fireplace and tile flooring throughout. The fireplace is on the front side of the home, and then turning towards the back, we have our formal dining area. You can see our kitchen, and then we have an enclosed patio and then our enclosed backyard. So we'll show you this backyard real quick. You could see the sunroom from the front, but here is that room again. And then if we walk out into the yard here, we have a very good sized backyard, and the master bedroom has its own patio space. So here is that backyard area. Heading back inside, we'll show you the kitchens, the bedrooms, and the bathrooms. So back through the sunroom, and we are back in the formal dining area. And we'll go into our kitchen. All kitchen appliances are included. We have fridge, stove, and dishwasher. Coming back out, we'll go down the hallway. We're gonna pass a linen closet on our right. On our left is our first guest bedroom. Very good sized room, has a good sized closet as well. And again, tile flooring throughout for easy cleaning, so that's always an added benefit. Our next right will be our bathroom. So we have our bathroom space with our tub shower combo. Coming back out. Our next right is our laundry lawn closet, and then our left is our second guest bedroom. So this is bedroom number 2. Very good size space, could be as storage or office or nursery. It's directly next to the master, so very easy access. And then here's that master suite. We have 2 closets, our own private sliding glass door to the patio space. And then we have our own attached full bathroom. Here's that bathroom space. So we have a private water closet and then our vanity. Here's that water closet. Coming back out, we'll go back to the living room now. So we're gonna pass our laundry closet, our other guest bedrooms, our full bathroom, and then here we are back in the living, dining area and kitchen. Again, this is 2820 Villawood Circle, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.